First name is Pamela. I'm 44 years old. My hometown now is Charleston, South Carolina. Well, I was diagnosed in 92, contracted the virus from my husband. From 92 to 99, I didn't do anything about the disease because of the fact that I was so afraid. I didn't tell my parents. I didn't tell anyone. At that time, the doctor said that I was already in the last stages of AIDS and there was nothing they could do for me. And so they called in my parents who lived in Birmingham, Alabama. They came to Atlanta to pick me up, supposedly, so that I could live out the last few days of my life. And so, literally, it was a process, it was a process, having blood transfusion, having to give myself shots so that my bone marrow wouldn't deteriorate. It was literally, changing different medications. Found a regimen that would work for me. Literally, emotionally, dealing with the fact that I didn't want to take medicine, but I knew that I needed to live. I found that healing for me came in the form of me being more transparent, me talking about this disease. I've seen this disease through the years and how it affects people, and I still see how it still affects people emotionally, mentally, and physically. And so this is why I want to make sure that people will understand that this is not a disease that you have to die with, but this is a disease that you can live and there's hope.